Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful stitch called rocking stitch. It looks like star stitch but it is not. This gives a very thick fabric and it is a great stitch for your baby blankets and for very warm clothing. And this is a good stitch for your coasters too. So to make this pattern we require multiples of 2 or even number of stitches we take as the foundation. I shall make the even number of chains and get back to you. I have made 14 chains, even number. Now to begin the first row, SC2 together in the second and the third chains. Chain 1, SC3 together starting from the chain we previously worked chain, and next 2 chains. Chain 1, again SC3 together, chain 1, chain 1, SC3 together, chain 1, SC3 together, chain 1 and SC2 together in the previously worked stitch and the last chain. Chain 1 and turn, SC2 together, chain 1, SC2 together starting from the stitch just previously worked or just worked, and the next 2 stitches. Again SC3 together, the previously worked stitch and the next 2 stitches. Don't forget to make chain 1. That's very important. Chain 1, chain 1. The first stitch will be to the side here, so pick it up. This comes. So it's a 1 row repeat row 2 to the desired length of the project. So this is how the product will look. It gives a starry effect. It's a reversible pattern. Thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this stitch. This stitch is great for thick fabrics and baby blankets and blankets as well. Please do subscribe to Magic Needles channel and do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you are notified of the videos that we upload every day. Please do like and share too. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video friends. Have a great day. Bye for now.